Juan Malacañang stressed that the Aquino administration is committed to the protection of the welfare of the people against unjustified power rate hikes. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma says the government regards the matter as a significant issue involving citizens' welfare.
Ang ating pamahalaan ay determinado na pangalagaan ang kapakanan ng mga mamamayan at protektahan sila mula sa pagsasamantala ng market power o anumang aksyon na hindi makatwiran o makatarungan. Yan po ang posisyon ng ating pamahalaan. Ang Pangulo po ay batid ang kanyang tungkulin, na siya ang dapat na mangalaga sa kapakanan ng mga mamamayan. In the ultimate analysis, he is the chief executive responsible for the welfare of the citizenry. And we regard this matter as a significant issue involving the citizens' welfare. So we will do what is possible in order to protect the welfare of the citizens in this matter.